So let's add some test data to the container before we run our tests. In order to add some test data, we have some properties in the settings file that's called config packages. And we can add that by going into the ALGO settings file and modifying that one and adding a property called config packages. That's an array, and you can specify a number of configuration packages that will be applied in the order in which they are specified here. The three standard packages that are supplied together with Business Central is evaluation, standard, and extended. If I just write standard here, it will take the standard rapid start package that comes with Business Central and apply that. I can also specify a path to a file in the repository relative to the project path, and then that will take that rapid start package. It's important that the rapid start package file name is the same as the package ID inside the rapid start package. But let's just commit these changes and wait for the workflow to complete. So here we can see that it actually, while running the workflow, specifies that it's adding the import test data override, and the configured config packages is standard. Now we specified a config packages setting in the settings file. If I had specified config packages.us, then that would be the config packages that would be applied to a US container, or config packages.dk would be for the Danish container. Config packages without anything afterwards will be applied to all containers where there is not a special config packages specified. So if you have a config packages.us, that is the only ones that will be applied to the US container. This allows you to control which config packages that are getting applied to what country. So as we can see, after publishing the apps, it's importing the test data now. In order to do that, it needs to enable the task scheduler to load configuration packages. It does that automatically, and then it imports the configuration packages, and then it stops the task scheduler again. So we can see importing configuration packages from config packages, and that's the US ENU standard rapid start package. So that's it. That's as simple as it is to add test data to your container when you need to run tests.